Hey everyone, artificial intelligence is undoubtedly the top investing trend in 2023. So in this video, I'm going to compare two AI stocks and answer which one is the better stock to buy. The two AI stocks I'm going to consider are C3.ai and Palantir Technologies. I'm going to compare these two on revenue, cash flow, profit margin, and valuation. So let's jump in with revenue. And looking at that metric, Palantir is ahead of C3.ai in terms of revenue growth, coming in at 12.75% compared to just 0.13% revenue growth for C3.ai. C3.ai is launching a new AI product that it is in a trial with many clients. So we're going to see just how much demand is out there for C3.ai's enterprise software technology that helps enterprises improve their operations. That's going to come to fruition sometime this year or maybe in the first half of next year. So I will be updating investors on that progress. The next thing I want to compare these two on is operating profit margin. And according to this metric, Palantir is doing a much better job. Even though it's still negative at 3.22%, it's at least moving in the right direction. Meanwhile, C3.ai has just been moving in the wrong direction, losing more and more money, decreasing its operating profit margin, and there needs to be improvement in this metric to be sure for C3.ai. The next thing I wanted to compare is cash flow from operations to sales, because for tech companies, especially innovative tech companies like C3.ai and Palantir, there's typically a significant amount of compensation that's paid out as stock based. And what that means is that's not a cash expense. And so if you back that out, you can get a better understanding of the company's sustainability in terms of self-sustaining. The cash flow the company can sustain is much better if you look at the cash flow from operations to sales. So according to this metric, again, Palantir well ahead of C3.ai and also showing a better trend compared to C3.ai, with the cash flow from operations of 19.73% compared to negative 43.36% for C3.ai. Finally, I wanted to compare these two on valuation, and the metric I chose to use is the forward price to sales ratio, and neither of these two stocks are cheap according to this metric. However, Palantir is more expensive at a forward price to sales of 12.4 compared to C3.ai at 9.8. However, given the significantly better performance of Palantir across all of the metrics that we looked at, if I was to pick one of these two AI stocks to buy today, I would pick Palantir. Palantir had better revenue growth, better profit margin, better cash flow from operations, and all of the trends were headed in the right direction. Well, save for revenue growth, that was heading downward, but that was the same case for C3.ai. But still, Palantir was doing a better job across those critical metrics compared to C3.ai. So I would pay the premium and I would buy Palantir Technologies if I was to pick between these two stocks today. I want to thank the Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. Visit fool.com/Parkev for the 10 best stocks to buy now.